Hi, this is JD and I'm here with Joy Stock. Today's video is about the most powerful ingredient of the international financial market, the leading stock exchanges of the world. Trust you will enjoy being with me. A stock exchange is an organization that anchors formulated markets for dealing in securities, derivatives, commodities, and other financial equipment. Here, buyers and sellers club together to carry out transactions, and securities are bought and sold out according to clear-cut rules and regulations. Stock exchange furnishes the required edifice and framework to the brokers and members. It also governs the transaction activities to certify free and fair trade. The most engaging aspect is that the stock exchanges are also deemed as the financial measures of an economy where industrial development and firmness are mirrored in the index. Let us now take a look at the largest stock exchanges in the world. The New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE, nicknamed the Big Board, is first on the list of the largest stock exchanges in the world and is highly esteemed stock exchange in the United States. It is situated in the financial district of Lower Manhattan in New York City and was established in May 17, 1792. It is by far the world's largest stock exchange by market capitalization of its 2,400 listed companies at US dollars 25.3 trillion as of June 2021. The NYSE trading floor is at the New York Stock Exchange building on 11 Wall Street and 18 Broad Street and is a national historic landmark. The NYSE is owned by Intercontinental Exchange, an American holding company. Previously, it was part of NYSE EURONEXT, which was formed by the NYSE's 2007 merger with EURONEXT. Back-to-back mergers have aided the New York Stock Exchange to gain its colossal size and global footprint. The blue chip companies which are listed under NYSE are Berkshire Hathaway Inc., Coca-Cola, Walt Disney Company, McDonald's Corporation, etc. Second on the list of the largest stock exchanges in the world is NASDAQ, an abbreviation for the National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. It is an American stock exchange and is headquartered at 151 W 42nd Street, New York City. The NASDAQ commenced its business on February 8, 1971 and is cited as the world's first electronically traded stock market. NASDAQ has a combined market capitalization of US dollars 22.1 trillion as of June 2021. It consists of more than 3,000 stocks listed under it and comprises of the world's humongous tech giants such as Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Tesla, and Intel. The Shanghai Stock Exchange, or SZSE, is in the city of Shanghai, China, and is one of the two stock exchanges plying autonomously in the People's Republic of China. Its foundation traces back to 1866. However, the Shanghai Exchange, in its contemporary outlook, was laid down in 1990. Currently, Shanghai SZSE is the world's third largest and Asia's biggest stock exchange with a combined market capitalization of US dollars 7.6 trillion as of June 2021. The Hong Kong Stock Exchange, or SEHK, owned by Hong Kong Exchanges and Clearing Limited, or HKEX, is located in Hong Kong and is the world's fourth largest stock exchange on the basis of market capitalization. It consists of 2,538 listed companies with a wholesome market capitalization of US dollars 6.8 trillion as of June 2021. Its origin can be traced back to the mid 1800s. Some of the gigantic eminent companies listed under the Hong Kong Stock Exchange are China Mobile, HSBC Holdings, and PetroChina. The Japan Stock Exchange, or JPX, the fifth largest in the world, is a Japanese financial services corporation that operates multiple security exchanges including Tokyo Stock Exchange and Osaka Securities Exchange. It was formed by the merger of the two companies on January 1st, 2013. JPX has close to 3,500 listed companies with a syndicated market capitalization surpassing US dollars 6.6 trillion as of June 2021. The TSE's metric indicator is Nikkei 225, and it is home to some of the voluminous Japanese giants with international exposure including Toyota, Suzuki, Honda, Mitsubishi, and Sony. The Shenzhen Stock Exchange, or SZSE, is based in the Fujian district of Shenzhen city in the People's Republic of China. It is one of the two stock exchanges operating independently in mainland China, the other being the largest Shanghai Stock Exchange I have already spoken about. As of June 2021, SZSE has 2,375 listed companies and a market capitalization of US dollar 5.7 trillion. Many of the companies within this market are subsidiaries of companies in which the Chinese government maintains controlling interest. The word EURONEXT is an acronym for European New Exchange Technology and has its corporate address at La Défense in Greater Paris. EURONEXT was established in 2000 by the consolidation of the exchanges in Amsterdam, Paris, and Brussels. Over the years, it amalgamated with multiple exchanges. After being merged with the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE, from 2007 to 2014, as NYSE EURONEXT has spun off to once again being a standalone European exchange. It steers financial markets in Amsterdam, London, Brussels, Lisbon, Oslo, Dublin, and Paris. It has around 1,500 listed companies, leading to a market capitalization worth US dollar 6.4 trillion as of June 2021. EURONEXT provided the segment which are equities, warrants, exchange traded bonds, commodities, funds and certificates, derivatives, indices, and foreign exchange trading platforms. The London Stock Exchange, or LSE, is part of London Stock Exchange Group, or LSEG, created in October 2007 when London Stock Exchange merged with Milan Stock Exchange, Borsa Italiana. It is based in Paterson Square, close to St. Paul's Cathedral in the City of London, and is the sixth largest stock exchange in the world. It was established in 1801 and is also the oldest stock exchange in the world. It has more than 3,000 listed companies with a combined market capitalization of US dollar 3.71 trillion as of June 2021. LSE is also the maiden source of benchmark prices, equity market liquidity, and market data in Europe. Some of the massive companies listed under the LSE are Barclays, British Petroleum, and GlaxoSmithKline. The Toronto Stock Exchange, or TSX, is based in the UI Tower in Toronto's financial district. It was introduced in 1852 and is held and wielded as a subsidiary of the TMX Group. It is the 9th largest exchange in the world and has 2,231 listed companies with a combined market capitalization of US dollar 3.1 trillion as of June 2021. The financial instruments include equities, investment trusts, exchange-traded funds, bonds, commodities, futures, options, and other products. More mining and oil and gas companies are listed on Toronto Stock Exchange than any other stock exchange. Next, National Stock Exchange of India Limited, or NSE, is the leading government-owned stock exchange of India located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and 10th largest stock exchange in the world. It is under the ownership of some leading financial institutions, banks, and insurance companies. NSE was established in 1992 as the first dematerialized electronic exchange in the country. NSE has approximately 1,952 listed companies and has a market capitalization of US dollar 3.07 trillion as of June 2021. NSE's flagship index, the Nifty 50, a 50 stock index, is used extensively by investors in India and around the world as a barometer of the Indian capital market. Interestingly, barely 1.3% of India's population invested in the stock market as compared to 27% in the United States and 10% in China. In a country's economy, stock exchanges play a critical role. Investors and traders can use their platform to trade and invest in securities as well as other financial assets like commodities, bonds, and derivatives. However, it is critical to understand how the market works before investing. That's all about the 10 largest stock exchanges in the world. We hope you liked the video. Comment below which is your favorite stock exchange in the world to trade. Happy trading. That's all for today. Do subscribe, share, and be with me for my forthcoming bi-weekly videos. I will keep coming with knowledge-based, interesting videos. Please do not forget to put in your valuable thoughts and comments. Thank you and goodbye for now. See you in my next one.